Let's talk about your firm and which way you're going. Are you going with the factory style where you need a lot of clients at low rates, or are you going more for the concierge style where you're working very closely with a couple of clients, not more than a couple, but you don't need as many. It allows you to work more deeply with clients because you know who they are and what's top of mind for them. So if you want to appeal to that other end of the spectrum of the concierge style firm, then you want to be able to know how to communicate value. And I realize that value is something that's talked about so much, and it's not really very well understood. And that's because it's subjective. What you value and what you care about is going to be different than what I value, what I care about, or what one of your clients value and what they care about when they're looking to engage your firm's services. But if you want to build that firm that is more of the concierge, working with higher quality clients, then it is so critical that you understand value from the client's point of view as opposed to your point of view. So in a nutshell, value is where it's like an equation. It's where the benefits a client receives and it looks at the price that they pay. So in a nutshell, value needs to be looked at. The benefits that they receive is going to be greater than the price they're paying for your services. So once again, the benefits they receive is greater than the fees that they are paying for your firm's services. So when we're thinking about value now, there's two things you do not want to do. One is low price. You do not want to be seen as the low price leader that is really aiming for all those clients. You want to negotiate fees. You want to have rock bottom prices because that doesn't appeal to those quality clients. So once again, low fees is going to get those low value clients, not the quality clients that you are aiming for with your firm. The second thing is features. And you might not even realize that features is a thing or that you might be doing it. But what you want to look at is stop talking about all the reports, the functions, the tasks, the workflows, because that's important to you. That is not something that is really high value to clients. In fact, the more that you talk about all those things that you do and the reports and everything like that, then it actually helps to cement being seen as a technician, and it goes ahead and backfires because it actually undervalues your expertise. So once again, two things you do not want to do is be price competitive, that low cost leader. And the other thing is that you want to stop talking about all the tasks, the workflows, the activities, the reports, because you're now seen as a technician and it actually undermines your expertise. So these are now 5 steps that will start to attract quality clients to your firm. And I don't care where you do this, whether it's in person, on your website, social media, but these 5 steps are going to start to have you stand out. The very first thing is attention. You want to somehow grab people's attention. And that is where you want to stop blending in and sounding and looking like everybody else who does exactly what you're doing. So very first thing is grab attention somehow. And the second thing is clarify. You want to think about from your client's point of view, why does this matter to them? Whether it's accounting, tax, bookkeeping, whatever it is, why does this service or this function matter to them? And this is where you start to really understand and help them understand, actually illuminate why they need you. So once again, be really clarified about why this particular thing matters to them. And then the second thing is trust. You want to be able to actually share knowledge without giving away the whole store, and do it in a way that builds credibility and trust, because people are trusting you with money, not just giving you money for your services, but trusting you with the cash flow and the financials in their business. So once again, when we're talking about money, it is a hot button sensitive subject for people. We want to be able to have you seen as being someone who's credible and trustworthy. Number 4 is stand out. Let's just face it. It is a competitive marketplace. There's a lot of people who do something similar to what you do. So you want to think about like a jingle. And not that you need a jingle, but think about every now and then you listen to a commercial and you just can't get that jingle out of your head. It just repeats itself over and over and over. It is sticky. And you want to find something that is unique about your firm. So what would be sticky that when they think about that thing, they are thinking about your firm? That is the way to start standing out. And then number 5 is call to action. When you're wrapping up what it is that you're talking about, that you're educating them on, your messaging, then don't assume that they know what to do next. And this applies to your website, your social media posts, when you're at a network meeting and you're introducing yourself, go ahead and have some type of call to action. And this gives a clear action step of what they need to do next if they want to continue learning more, talking further with you, interest in your firm services. So those are 5 steps to attract quality clients: is attention, clarify, trust, stand out, call to action. And just remember, your clients do not care about the workflow, the tasks, the reports, the activities as much as you do. What they care about is the outcome and the results, because you know how to do that. This also means they're not interested in buying your time. They are interested in results, outcomes, and benefits. So instead of focusing on, just hiring you because they need to have their books wrapped up at the end of the month or anything, start to think about what is possible because they are having you do that service. So don't just focus on the function, focus on what's possible because you are providing this valuable service to them. And as a result of that, you want to start to emphasize things of how maybe things improve for them over time. And that is so much more valuable than, once again, the work that you're doing for them that leads to those improvements. Now, if this interests you, you want to find out more about communicating value, attracting high quality clients to your firm, then join me on Wednesday, May 1st at 4 p.m. Eastern, 1 o'clock Pacific. I'm doing a complimentary masterclass on attract quality clients to your firm, grow your dream firm without spending tons of money. You can find all the details at businesssuccesssolution.com/marketing for the complimentary masterclass on attract quality clients to your firm. Anyway, let me know how this resonated with you, what came up for you, what validated, what that you're going to put into action. Would love to get some insights as to really how this was something that you can now take away and implement. And once again, join me for the webinar at businesssuccesssolution.com/marketing on attracting quality clients to your firm. Loren Fogelman, showing accounting firm owners how to double their income, working half the time.